Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to merge photos to a PDF on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to use Google Docs. If you don't have Google Docs on your device, just go to your Play Store or App Store and download Google Docs. Now once you've done that, go ahead and open it up. Now from here you want to click on the plus icon and then click on New Document. Now from here you want to go ahead and add those photos inside of this document to merge as a PDF. So from here, click on the plus icon and then click onto image. Now we've got three options. We can add photos from your image or gallery, your camera, or from web, but I want to add photos from my device. So I'm going to choose from photos. Now I want to add this one in like so. And then we want to go ahead and make sure press enter. So on a new line and then add another photo. So click onto image from photos. Say I want to add this one like so. Now that's going to add it. So you can see we've got two photos here. You can add as many as you like. Now from here, once you've finished, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right hand corner for more options. Go ahead and make sure print layout is selected. And then we want to go ahead, we can go ahead and adjust to fit the whole page if you want. So yeah, you can adjust it, move it around, etc. And also you can see what it's going to look like in the print layout as well. Now once you're happy with the way it looks, you want to click on the three dots again. Then from here you want to click on share and export. Now from here click on to print. Don't worry, we're not going to print it, we just want to save it as a PDF. Now go ahead and click on save as PDF and then click save as PDF. Now that's going to save it inside of your mobile device as a PDF. Now you're going to see this yellow PDF download button, click onto that. And then go ahead and choose where you'd like to save your PDF. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it inside of my documents here, and then I'm going to click done.